While I would probably say a vast majority of what we do is an asphalt shingle, we are one of the few contractors that does still install wood shake roofs as well as terracotta tile roofing. The common misconception is that these type of roofs don't need as much upkeep. Honestly, your asphalt roof is going to have the lowest maintenance over the course of its life. Things like your tile roofs, they do need to be inspected probably once every 5 years just to make sure all the water is draining properly out of this, because something like an asphalt shingle, all the water stays on top of the roof and runs down into the gutters. Your tile roofing, any slate, your tiles, they are all a water system that is built. The water gets underneath the tiles, runs down the slope, and then out into the gutters. If that system is not draining properly, you can actually get blockages in the drains and get water buildup underneath the roof. We're one of the few contractors, actually maybe even the only contractor in this industry here in the Midwest that does an intrusive tile inspection. That is where we will come out, peel up tiles in your valleys over the course of your roof in about 4 to 5 different spots and analyze how your roof is draining. Because where these tiles are most common out in the West, they don't have 60-foot oak trees dropping stuff on their roof all year long, allowing that drainage system to get backed up and block it.